They will do exercise. The exercise is number 29. And it's the following. The solution has 3% by mass of copper sulfate. What is the mass of copper sulfate needed to prepare 250 grams of this solution? So we have a solution. Ooh. We have a solution. A. It is. Let's say this is the solution. We've got copper sulfate at 3%, and the rest is the solvent. Okay, let's say it's this. So that's 3%. And now I want to know if I have 200. Oh boy. If I have 250 grams, how many grams is copper sulfate? So we know that. So I know that we have, for example, 3 grams in 100 grams of the solution. 3 grams is copper sulfate. Or I could have 30 grams and 1,000 grams. You know, so it's 3 to 10, right? To 100, 3%. And so, but now we have 250 grams. And I've always done this, but I've never taught you how. So I always say, oh, you gotta divide by the one who's in the other side. So the answer is this multiplied by this divided by this, okay? You always get the one who's in the opposite side, and that's dividing. And then you multiply the rest, which is 3 grams times 250 grams. Well, where does that come from? Let me check. This is the same thing as we have 3 grams of copper sulfate is to X grams of copper sulfate, as 100 grams of copper sulfate is to 200 grams of the 100 grams of solution per 200 grams of solution. Okay. So 3 is to X is 100 is 250. And so we want to solve by X. So we multiply cross multiply them, and we get 3 times 250 is equal to 100x, and we divide by 100, and we get x is equal to 3 times 250 grams squared over 100 grams. This is in grams. So we cancel grams with grams, and we have grams on both sides. That's good. So 3 times 0, that's 0. 3 times 5, that's 15, goes 1. 3 times 56 plus 1 is 7 over 100. Well, that's 7.5. So we got 7.5 grams of copper sulfate. It's gonna be like CuS sulfate. I think that's copper sulfate. Let me just check this out. It's called, yeah, copper sulfate. But it's called copper tube sulfate. But I think that. That's it.